I usually ask anyone I'm meeting for the first time, how many manufacturers in New Jersey? The usual answer is somewhere between 5 to 20. Then there are a few that are a little bit braver and they say 200 to 1,000. And then there are the superheroes, they think it's more than 5,000. But the point really is, if we have individuals that believe that New Jersey has 5 to 20 manufacturing companies, and in this case employers, we are not going to find any parents, any teachers, any counselors, any legislators, any multipliers you possibly can think of who would recommend their own children and or the neighbor's children to look into manufacturing for a career. And as long as this number is kind of a secret, obviously, we are not going to make any progress in this context, and we are not going to find additional workers. So coming back to your question from earlier, with all the manufacturing companies that the administration wants to bring back to the United States, we have to think about where is the workforce coming from? Because the jobs that we have lost 30 years ago that went overseas, these are not the jobs that are coming back. These jobs are going to be different in terms of requirements, in terms of the machines that we are going to use, in terms of maintenance. And this is exactly what we have to look into as the United States, but also every single company by itself.